Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android to Google Photos easy guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Google Play Store to download it. Once you open the app, sign in with your Google account if prompted. Next, tap on the profile picture or initial at the top right corner. Select Photos settings from the menu that appears. Now, tap on Backup and Sync. Toggle the Backup and Sync option to turn it on. Choose your upload size preference between high quality and original quality. High quality compresses images slightly but offers unlimited storage. Original quality maintains the original resolution but counts against your Google Drive storage limit. Next, return to the previous menu and ensure that Backup Device Folders is also enabled. This option allows you to include other folders, such as screenshots and downloads. Scroll down to check for additional backup settings, such as mobile data usage. If you want to backup using mobile data, toggle the Use Cellular Data to Backup option. For best results, connect to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. Now, navigate back to the main screen of the app. Your photos and videos will start backing up automatically. You can check the backup status in the Photos settings. As items back up, you will see a cloud icon with a check mark next to them. Once everything is backed up, you'll have peace of mind knowing your memories are safe in Google Photos. If you want to share your backed up photos, tap on the photo and choose to share from the options available. Enjoy the convenience of having your photos easily accessible from any device connected to your Google account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.